everyone. For OneWrestling.com, this is Bill Apter, and today is a very special day in Philadelphia. It is National Pro Wrestling Day, and take a look at this.
Hi everyone, I'm Scarlett, and welcome to National Pro Wrestling Day, while I'll be representing AAW.
Some great matches will be taking place today, like Colt Cabana against Mike Quackenbush.
Very excited to be here. It's great representing Evolve and Dragon Gate USA. This is a very exciting event, a great day for wrestling, and I'm honored to be here.
Visit our friends over at Filthier Games. Check out. Hey everybody, this is Gavin Loudspeaker here at National Pro Wrestling Day. I'm at the Philadelphia National Guard Armory. I am the host of National Pro Wrestling Day. As you can see, I have 2 microphones, and it's a pleasure to bring you National Pro Wrestling Day along with Bill Apter.
Again, you never know who you meet here at the first National Pro Wrestling Day. Sir, your feelings on it. Well, tell everybody who you are.
I'm Dasher Hatfield. I'm the old-timey king of swing, and I'm standing next to a wrestling legend right now, and I'm so excited.
Thank you.
And we're at National Pro Wrestling Day. It's our own holiday. We kind of stole it from the groundhog, but it's ours now, and we took it and we love it. And look at all these people. It's free, and it's going to be wonderful. I'm excited.
That's
I don't
right.
know if you can tell.
And free is a good 4-letter word.
If it's free, it's for me.
This is Tom Carter, formerly Reckless Youth, and what a great day it is today in National Pro Wrestling Day.
All right, so one of the great tag teams here. Tell everybody, this is so many groups of independent wrestling coming together. Tell all our viewing audience here at OneWrestling.com who the 2 of you are.
That's what you're talking to Big Magic, Shane Matthews.
And I'm Scott Jagged Parker. Together we make the team of 3.0.
That's right, Chikara Pro. How you doing, Bill?
All right, and tell everybody why they should be coming out and supporting independent wrestling.
Well, listen, especially on a day like this, you can kind of
National Pro Wrestling Day.
National Pro Wrestling Day, and it's a celebration of independent professional wrestling. Not only for people like us, for the wrestlers, for the people like yourself, journalists, but also for the fans. We're all here to celebrate together and celebrate something we all have a passion for, and that's what's beautiful about something like today.
Yeah, check it out. This is great. We are here at National Pro Wrestling Day.
Oh yeah! What do you got?
The Ring of Honor has the first match out tonight. It's Carino and Jacobs.
Now making their way towards the ring. They are accompanied by the Ring of Honor ambassador, Kerry Silken.
Capacity crowd here at the National Guard Armory in Philadelphia for National Pro Wrestling Day. What a great event.
Hey, this is Apollyon, and I represent the NYWC, and National Pro Wrestling Day is all about me.
Unpredictable Johnny Rods. Unpredictable Johnny. Quick feeling out process.
This is the first Rick Converse representing CWF Mid-Atlantic Wrestling here today at National Pro Wrestling Day. If you're not with us, you're not with anybody. CWF247.com. Did you get that after?
Hi, I'm Christina Von Erie, and I'm here fighting to represent WSU. What a great day it is. You know, here it's a national holiday. Wrestling, imagine that, a national holiday. You know, the only reason that today is wonderful is because yours truly will be here.
Wrestling. This is Denver, Colorado, the man, not the place. And look at the festivities here, National Pro Wrestling Day. Who else is going to bring you 20 plus matches, over 20 different promotions, free to attend, streaming worldwide thanks to Smart Mark Video. And we're so glad, so appreciative, not only for Beyond Wrestling, but Women's Superstars Uncensored to be a part of it. And believe it or not, through all of the buzz, through all of the hype that we got on Twitter, the hashtag NPWD, we were finally able to reach 5,000 subscribers at youtube.com/Beyond Wrestling. Please subscribe if you don't already. We put out free weekly matches and so much more.
Ooh, you're putting it on there, all right. That's what we're defending tonight.
Hello, peoples. This is Steve the Turtle Whiner, wishing you a very happy National Pro Wrestling Day, and it's a good day indeed. Isn't that right, Peter? Peter, you can't use that kind of language today. You're going to get us in trouble. I'm so sorry. He's not supposed to. Peter, calm down, Peter. Calm down. We gotta go.
I'm Joel Maximo.
And I'm Will Maximo.
And we here at National Pro Wrestling Day para representar, to represent Fighting Spirit Wrestling.
Ow! How you doing, everyone? That's right, it's the Funky Monkey Angel Ortiz, the real deal, Mike Drastic, representing Fighting Spirit Wrestling out of New York City, and we're here at National Pro Wrestling Day, and we're gonna tear it up.
Just first off, I want to say what an honor it is to be here and be a part of all this and this grand event. I want to say a thank you to Bill Apter, a thank you to every hand that had part in orchestrating this grand event, and thank you, and we're going to tear it up, baby.
Some Spanish?
Diablo!
You never know who you'll meet here at National Pro Wrestling Day.
The only one left.
That's what you're doing.
Yeah, I was hoping to like.
She finally answered.
Greetings, friends. Gentleman Jervis Cottonbelly here, aka the world's sweetest man. And I'm coming at you live from National Pro Wrestling Day in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
This is Shane, Hurricane Helms, here with OneWrestling.com. And why am I here? Because I love wrestling, and this is National Pro Wrestling Day.
Those ice creams!
I'm Rockin' Reese and I love indie wrestling.
You don't get to take my touch!
Ladies and gentlemen, in the ring at this time, he is your referee.
What's going on? This is Chris Dickinson. I'm here today at National Pro Wrestling Day representing none other than Beyond Wrestling. So I came here today and, go ahead, check it out. Actually, this right here, that's half Dickinson, half Pazuzu. That's right.
Well, first of all, on a realistic level, I want to say that this show has been a complete success. I think it's great. I think it's great for independent wrestling. I think it's awesome that we got so many different companies working together. It's because you get a lot of petty things, you know, usually between companies. It really is just so unnecessary for business. I think this is something to really work towards again in the future. This is something that really sets a good standard for the way people should do business and the way ethics should be carried out in wrestling. And I really like everything that happened here today. Thank you so much, Bill. I appreciate it.
Hey, look who's at National Pro Wrestling Day. Too Cold Scorpio.
Whoop, whoop.
It is so good to see you again.
It's always a pleasure to see you, Bill, sir. Thank you so very much.
You've never seen a concept like this, a National Pro Wrestling Day,
No, I never
correct?
have seen anything so spectacular where kids kind of want to go back to old school and kind of remember the memories that we grew up on when wrestling was still wrestling.
Yeah. Tell all the fans what you're doing these days.
Well, to all the
besides
fans,
celebrating National Pro Wrestling Day.
Besides celebrating this biggest day, and I hope that every year I'll be able to celebrate. And for the fans I didn't see this time, hopefully you guys will be back. What's up with Too Cold Scorpio? Just living in the sun, baby. Living in the sun in the land of Florida, the land of luxury, baby. Working hard, trying to stay busy. You know the deal. Hit and miss on the wrestling scene, trying to keep it real in the real world. My boy's 11, playing tennis, about to go pro at 14, give or take. Hoping, keep my fingers crossed. Other than that, much love to all the fans. You're the ones who make me. You're the ones who can break me. Too Cold Scorpio, baby. Peace out. Woo woo.
Promoters that put this thing together. I am proud as the host today to present you 2013 award to Colt Cabana as the ambassador of independent wrestling.
Thank you, Colt! Thank you, Colt! Thank you, Colt! Thank you, Colt!
Hey guys, Colt Cabana here, National Pro Wrestling Day. Bill Apter presented me with this plaque, Ambassador of Independent Professional Wrestling, and what an honor that was to receive it from Bill Apter, a guy I look up to and I love, and I think is amazing. And it's amazing, the 13-year-old Colt Cabana can't believe that I'm friends with Bill Apter today, and for him to be in the middle of the ring and present me with this plaque, it's really an honor. I'm very proud of being representing independent professional wrestling.
Ladies and gentlemen, what an incredibly exhausting day. I am spent physically, I am spent mentally. I've been busy co-hosting with my good friend Bill Apter all day long here at National Pro Wrestling Day. It was an epic day full of excitement and action at the National Guard Armory in Philadelphia. What a day for National Pro Wrestling. What a day for wrestling fans. I'm Gavin Loudspeaker. We'll see you again soon at the matches.
Well, this has been an incredible day and evening here in Philadelphia at National Pro Wrestling Day. Over 25 promotions all getting together and putting out their best efforts. And I am so happy that I was part of it. So the message here is make sure you get out and you support independent wrestling. Bill Apter will see you at the matches.